What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I just want to make a video on my 3 minute strategy that I do use on GBP JPY, which it has been working for me for a very long time, and I did like to share and hopefully maybe you can try it and do back testing on it, and you can do um forward testing on it. And what I mean forward testing is you having to try the strategy without even risking it with your money, without risking your money, just trying it out, see if it work. So that is what I mean for testing. And we're just gonna go and dive into it. So if today is your first time watching my video, my name is Mosh. My name is Mosh. You can call me Mosh. I'm a trader, forex trader, and I trade GBP USD and GBP JPY for a living. So today we're just gonna talk about my 3 minute strategy that I do use and how you can benefit from it and how it can be more useful to you. So one thing you have to know is that when you're trading 3 minute strategy is you have to be smart about it. You have to know where and when you are getting out, immediately you get in. So that doesn't mean you're scalping, but it's just that you're using 3 minutes to enter your trade, and it has to be specific. Like you can't just be gambling. You have to know what you're looking for at that particular time. So I'm just gonna go right into the market and just let's see what's up, okay? So firstly, we're gonna start from daily time frame. So on the reason why I'm starting from daily time frame is this. As a trader, I would like to, I like to trade in the direction of the trend. I don't like to trade against it, which is why I said, first of all, let me delete all this drawing. So I don't like to trade against the trend. A lot of people like to do that, but for me, I don't see it as something that is necessary to do because you are putting your money at stake at that particular time because you don't really know what is going to happen. And even though you're going to do that, it's probably like you're scalping and you're just in for like maybe 20 pips or 30 pips or 40 pips max. So sometimes it might not even get to that. Then you end up losing, and there's no point on doing that and risking your hard-earned money, and also risking the mental breakdown you're gonna get from it. So on daily time frame, we can see how the market is retesting a previous retesting the M pattern that we had on daily time frame. We can see this as the M pattern. Sorry. All these are weak candle, but we can either use the weak candle, we can either use the weak candle or use the body. So either way is fine with me. So now we should be expecting any buy, any sell from here, and any movement from now, or maybe probably next week. So, but I'm gonna show you the previous trade that that I took with this same strategy, and which is more reliable for me than just using all the time frame to trade. So here we go. So now we can see how GBP JPY have been consolidating in this area. At first, we have this pattern here where DJ fucked me up here really, really hard, where we were expecting DJ to continue this move, but he didn't do that. DJ did not do that. But I'll tell you what's up now. So this is what DJ did. Broke the structure, retested it, and sold. I didn't enter it for one reason. But anyway, we're just gonna move on to the trade that I did cut. Like I cut yesterday, I cut about 200 pips from GBP US and GBP JPY. I also see GBP USD and GBP JPY, but they're almost the same thing, but not the same pair. So anyway, let me go to now. We can see on 4 hours time frame, we can see how the market retested the zone, in multiple times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's like that's 40 hours of trading day during the trading days. Then we got this push down. For me, I knew that we will come here, and I also know that GBP JPY, they will manipulate it to take some liquidity from the market before this move will come. So let me just go how. And also, one thing I need to tell you is that this 3-minute strategy helps you to enter like a sniper. It gives you a sniper entry. Like when you enter the trade, it makes you look like did anybody tell you that the market is about to reverse or this or that? I'm just gonna explain. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. So for example, we're gonna talk about this particular move. How can you not miss this move? Right? So uh let me just lighten it up a little bit. Okay. Let me change the color to like yellow. Oh no, yellow is not. I think the previous color is good. Okay. So I'm gonna elaborate on this particular move and make sure that we get what we need to get when it comes to this move here. So now we're on 1 hour time frame. We are seeing a bearish candle, right? So we should then I'm going to go to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. So what I'm looking for is simple. You guys know what I look for in the market. If you know it, just comment down below. I want to know if you guys know it. What I look for to in the market is just M pattern or W pattern. That's all. Well, being you 3 minute, being you 1 hour, what I'm looking for is just M pattern on any time frame, on any given time frame. Then move like this. Talking about, yeah, this is what I'm actually looking for. I'm not here to stress myself for what is not, for what doesn't worth it. I mean, like, it doesn't worth my time stressing over anything. It doesn't even worth my time, believe me. So let me elaborate on what I want to show you guys. So if you look at here on 15-minute time frame, you can see how the market is consolidating, right? Like I said, what I like to trade personally is when they are taking liquidity from the market, when people are actually like, you know, most people will be selling around this area. They will sell it because of this. So many people put their sell here, then their stop loss will probably be around here, around 20, 15 pips, 20 pips. Some people will probably put it because they have fear of missing out, and they put their, yeah, which is good, it's fine. But at the same time, if K is not taking, you can get the market to push up and take you out, then take you out, then we'll start moving to your direction. So this is what I like to come in. I like to come in when people are not really into entering in the market, when the market is about to, when is the market is planning, or when there's any manipulation to take liquidity from the market before the actual movement. So what I would do is that on like here, if you check this on 15-minute time frame, for me, I can see M pattern right here. I can see M pattern right here. I can see M pattern right here. I can see M pattern this. Then this, I can see how the retest is happening. Then we can see this. Then boom. It's simple. You just have to train your eyes to see it. Let's go to 10 minutes time frame if we're gonna see it better. I think the network is bad. Okay, so see what I'm saying. Many people will have bought or will have sold here because of this previous resistance level. They will have sold when the market was there. Even some will have sold here. But for me, I understand that even GGA, I'm gonna show you some when I'm gonna show you a bar entry also in next few minutes. But I'm just letting you know that for me, I'm not looking to enter at the right time. I'm looking to have a good trade. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking forward to like place a good trade and wait for the right opportunity or when to enter the trade. So for me, this is where I do enter trade. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna replay this so that we can get to okay. Okay, so I just wanna do analysis of this for you guys so you guys will see what I always look forward to in the market. So here we are. So we see the market retest, and this is where I get to enter because I knew, like this is where I got to enter. I enter from here. I knew that the market. This is just stop loss on for people who put their stop loss too tight. They will hunt it up. Then for me, what I have to do is next is just put my stop loss. Like I risk 150 pips and 15 pips, sorry. Put my stop loss. Then I was able to like make about 70 pips on the market. Then I went off the market and it was beautiful, like beautifully done. Then let me move to this area. So on 3 minutes time frame, let me show this topic is on how I do enter my trade with 3 minute strategy. So I'm just gonna go to 3 minutes time frame. Sorry guys, I have cold. So using 3 minutes time frame or 3 minute strategy is that simple, honestly. So what will I will have done is that the reason why I should have entered here, I'm talking about this place and put my exactly or put above this area so I can be safe. I should have entered my trade here, but I did not enter. You know why? Because the trade was still the candle was still lying on this box here. So there's no way if I put myself like just see what happened here. If I put myself, it might end up taking me out, and the market might just wants to be consolidating in this area like it's doing now. I don't know what happened. What happened? I think it's just the network. Sorry guys, I just have to. Oh. So anyway, okay, I think it's just the network. Sorry. I think it's just the network. It was just the network, guys. The network is just okay, good. It's back up. So, as I was saying, I was supposed to enter here, but the reason why I did not enter was because the candle is still closing like exactly at this bar. So, and it's so difficult. If I enter sell there, it's so like dangerous because network. What should I do with this network, people? I think I hold on, guys. Let me just connect to my phone. If that will give us. Anyway, okay. So I think we're back on again. Let me. Is that better? Okay. This is my light for my mini office. So anyway, so if I should enter when the market gave me this opportunity here, it was so difficult. It not like difficult for me to enter because I didn't get the market has to move above or below the previous resistance for me to be able to go on sell or go on buy. Like this, guys. We have the market consolidating this area. We had the market consolidating this area. See, it wasn't right for me to enter at this particular time because this move, GJ could as well capitalize on this resistance, on this resistance, on this resistance, on this resistance for this particular move to go. And look at what it did. It did the same thing. So to me, what I just look for is like GJ breaking it this way, come this way, come then. At the break of it, this is where I get to enter. Like I got my confirmation that now that the market has shifted from this previous resistance to form a new support. Now I get to know that okay, the market is ready to move. Then I get to enter from here. Then my stop loss was just above the previous higher high on a smaller time frame. So this time I get to use 3 minutes time frame to enter trade. So let's move to the next breakdown that I did like to share with you guys. So okay, so here on 3 minutes time frame, you can see what is happening. I just want you guys to know this. So I'm just gonna keep playing, then I will pause when I see my opportunity. I just want to keep playing. Okay. Okay. So now, what can you see? For me, I can see W pattern. I can see that the market normally was supposed to. Okay, I can see W pattern and got a retest. So this is there is see. I'm okay. I will show you. I'm not trading. This setup was not for me to trade against the trend. Believe me, all you're seeing here, you might be thinking that, okay, all these things is looking like a downtrend. No, it's not looking like a downtrend. It's probably it's just happening because the market is retesting a particular zone, which let's say if I go to, let me go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, see what I'm saying? The market is retesting our previous higher high that we did have, which is right here. And let me put a rectangle so that you guys know that I'm not just trading. See. So in this box, I foresee GPY try to manipulate and take some people out. Then before the actual move that we come to this point, then we now decide if GPY wants to respect this zone and come down. So with that being said, I hope you guys understand what I mean. I'm not trading against the trend. I'm trading with the trade. I'm following the trend, but I just find a way of entering the trade when the market is about to shift and not being caught up. Sometimes it happens. I'm not winning like 90%. My trade is like 50-50, it's like 60-40. But it's just that when I'm winning, I take like 40, I take like from 40 pips to somewhere around 120, even 200 pips sometimes. So now let's move forward to back to 3 minutes time frame. Sorry guys, my phone is just keep beeping. Beeping, beeping. Who is this calling? And now the network is messing up. Is it the net? What's wrong with the network today? Let me just try and use my phone network and see if we can connect. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, now we're back on. Okay, so now you guys see the reason why I'm coming up with, or the reason why I'm following this WE pattern on smaller time frames. So I just don't want you to feel like, oh, anytime I see WE pattern, I enter. No, I enter based on the actual trend that I've seen in the previous trade, in the previous higher time frames. Okay, I just have to disconnect. Just guys, please, I need a minute. I just have to disconnect. Um, okay, I think we're good to go now. So now we are off this distraction. And okay. So now you guys can get the reason why I'm entering for buy around this particular zone. And the reason why I enter for buy on 3 minute time frame is because we broke this structure. We broke this previous support level that the market could have, rejected from, and the market broke it up, and this is kind of strong, then which is what I'm relying on. So I'm just gonna pull my, then using 15 pips as my 15 pips, nothing more than that. 15 pips. Just put it that way. So I got about 100 pips. Okay, so like I think 100 pips, yeah. Cost 100 pips. Sorry, I caught 1995 and 95 pips, yeah, somewhere around. So now let's play now and see what happens. Okay, you see the move, guys. It's like it was just pushing and pushing and pushing. See what happened, guys. And it happening again and again and again and again and again, guys. Like the second trade I missed out when I was working out yesterday is I'm gonna show you guys. I want to show you guys. So let's just keep playing. Then the market rejected. After I caught the move there, I just left and I went to the gym. I could have entered sell here because this was another M pattern and it was respecting this resistance level. I could have entered here. I just want I just want you guys to understand. Understand that this 3 minute candlestick, yes, you need to be vigilant and you need to know what you are doing. So okay. So guess what happened again? Again, we have the market creating another W pattern. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm not gonna enter right immediately from here because this is a trap. This is a trap. I'm just gonna wait and see if the market is gonna come here, then pull my stop loss, 50 pips, nothing more than that. And nothing less and nothing more than that, then see, because overall the market is giving me that he wants to buy. But again, he won't buy at that particular time because he knows that many people are placing buy and he needs to take some liquidity before he moves. When you understand a pair, you know what he's gonna do next, what he's planning to do, whatever any time or any given time. So let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Okay, see, good. See what I'm talking about, guys. See, immediately it happens because number one, we are testing a very strong previous resistance level and previous higher high that we have as a current higher low. Something like this, like I'm trading with the trend. I'm not trading against the trend, guys. I hope you understand what I'm saying. yes, it's okay. Sometimes you might want to trade against the trend just because you feel like you hasn't traded any. But when you wait for the right time, it will work. Just imagine this was a London session, and this second trade is running now on a UK on New York session. So let's keep going. See, the market keep going, then give us a retest. Then here I will have entered another buy. Here, right here. I'll have entered another buy. So let's see. Probably if we get a retest over here, I'm gonna buy. If we get it, yes, I'm gonna buy now. Boom. Hey, I'm telling you, this is how you leverage on your account. Like this is how you leverage on your trade. When you know the pair so well, it's so easy for you to just capitalize on. All you need to do, like when I'm telling people, I'm always telling people or new traders that you don't need a new strategy. The strategy that you have can work, but you just need to study. You need to know how it works, know what really works for you as an individual who is placing this trade, who wants to master this strategy. If you don't know what is working, you're just gonna be trading as if you're gambling and you wouldn't even enjoy yourself. And I can tell you it's depressing because when you know what to do and you're not doing it, and you're doing the opposite, it's really, really, really depressing. Look at what happened, guys. Another 100 pips that happened, overnight, and this is cool cash. And I'm not saying it's all rosy, but as you can see, I'm risking just 15 pips to get 1:6, 1:6, 1:7. I mean, what is better than that? Nothing is better than this. So by the time I lose, I'm less concerned because when I win, I'm making six times. Like even though I lose like 5 times in a row, when I make a win, 2 wins, it covers for the whole thing. So I don't need to stress if I'm going to lose. Yes, I'm ready to lose. I'm good at it. I want to lose. You know. So I hope you guys enjoy this short. I don't know if it's a short video, I don't know if it's a long video, but I'm trying to make sure that I'm giving you guys good value this year because this is one of the things that I do promise myself is to give guide sorry, I said give guide, is to give value to everyone that crossed my path and everyone that sees my content on any social media platform. So with that being said, I remain your humble trader, Babaoja. You can call me Hungry for Profit. And in my community, I'm looking on opening my live trading section soon so that I can be trading with at least five to 10 people for free for now. Then so that I can help them to achieve one of their goals this year. So as you can see, the trade is still moving. It's still moving. And I'm not saying that my strategy is the best strategy in the world, but I'm saying my strategy is profitable and it's giving me money. And it's not giving money because it's the perfect strategy, but it's just the perfect strategy for me and the way I love to trade. So I hope you understand that. So if you need any help in knowing what really works for you, or you want to discover what really works for you so that you can be profitable yourself without having to depend on any other trader, just contact me on I'll link my link will be on the bio, so you can just I send the bio. My link will be on the description, then you can contact me. Then we can get the ball rolling and get the perfect start of this year. So with that being said, thank you for watching and I will see you in another video. Peace out.